Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Garmin Drive 61. And to begin, make sure that your Garmin is being charged. You can see the charging indicator in the top right corner of the screen. Otherwise, if your navigation stops working during a reset, something wrong might happen, and we don't want that. Now let's open the settings, and here scroll all the way down to the device, and then scroll down again. There's a reset button. If you click on it, then you can clear travel history, reset default settings, delete data and reset settings, and last option is what we want for factory reset. So let's do that. Click yes. Your device will restart, probably even multiple times, and then the reset will be finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.